British police have arrested a man on 2 counts of attempted murder, and that's after 2 Jewish men were stabbed in an incident in Golders Green in North London, and that's an area well known for its large Jewish population. Posting on social media, a Jewish security group said that a man wielding a knife was seen running down the high street before members of that group apprehended him, and British police then tasered the man and then arrested him. Now, this comes after a spate of attacks on the Jewish community in London in recent weeks. Just around half a mile away from this latest incident, there was an attack on a memorial wall on Monday, attempted arson, and late in March there was an attack on 4 Jewish community ambulances which were set alight and destroyed. Speaking in the House of Commons, British Prime Minister Keir Starmer described the attack as appalling, and that was a sentiment echoed by Deputy Prime Minister David Lammy, who said that in the UK no one should live in fear because of who they are. Camille Nedelec, Al Jazeera, Golders Green, London.